Most renters make at least one mistake with their insurance that could leave them financially exposed. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to avoid the three biggest traps and how a free financial planning session can help you protect everything you've worked for. Imagine this. You come home after a long day, you unlock your door, and something feels off. Your apartment is a mess. Your TV, laptop, and favorite things are gone. Bye-bye. Or maybe a pipe burst upstairs, soaking your furniture and electronics. You think, thank goodness I have renter's insurance. But are you really protected? Most people are not, and it could cost you quite a bit. Hi, my name is Tommy Cloud. I'm president of Third Act Retirement Planning. We help people all over the country that have recently come into a large sum of money or windfall. Today, we're going to be talking about renting and your renter's insurance. There's many wealthy people now that are not owning real estate but prefer to rent because of high interest rates and cash on cash, low returns on real estate investments. Talking about renting is no longer just for people that are middle class. It's also those that are high income earners and have a high net worth. In this video, I'm going to show you the number one myth about renter's insurance that leaves people broke, how to make sure your stuff is actually covered, and number three, and the one part of your policy that could save you from a financial nightmare. Let's get right on with it. Here's the truth. Mistake number one is believing your landlord's insurance covers you. Your landlord's insurance only covers the building, not your stuff. If there's a fire, break-in, or water leak, you're on your own for replacing your clothes, electronics, and furniture. If you don't have your own renter's policy, you could lose everything and get nothing back. How about them apples, as Matt Damon would say? Mistake number two, underinsuring your belongings. A lot of people think, I don't own much. I'll just get the cheapest policy. Big mistake. Let's do a quick check. How much would it cost to replace every shirt, shoe, and gadget you own, brand new at today's prices? Most renters have $20,000 to $30,000 worth of stuff, even if it doesn't look like that. And for those that are renting houses, the amount is far more, or condos, 3 and 4 bedroom condos. And here's the kicker. If you pick actual cash value coverage, your insurance only pays for what your old stuff is worth, not what it costs you to buy new. That $1,000 laptop, you might get $200. So here's what you want to do. Choose replacement cost coverage and make sure your policy limit matches what it would cost to replace everything. Mistake number three, skimping on liability coverage. Renter's insurance isn't just about your stuff. It also protects you if someone gets hurt in your apartment or if you accidentally damage someone else's property. Picture this. A friend trips on your rug and breaks their arm. Or you start a kitchen fire that damages your neighborhood's place. Without enough liability coverage, you could be sued for thousands or even more. Most policies start at $100,000, but that can disappear fast. What you want to do is bump your liability coverage to $300,000 or even $500,000. It usually costs just a few dollars more per year and could save your savings, your paycheck, and your future. Review and update every year. Your life changes, so should your insurance. Did you buy a new TV, computer, or bike? Did you get a pet or a new roommate? Take 10 minutes once a year to review your policy. Make sure your coverage still fits your life. So let's recap. Number one, don't count on landlord's insurance. Number two, make sure your stuff is fully covered for what it's worth today to replace it. And number three, get enough liability coverage to protect your future. Are you ready to make sure you're truly protected? Book a free financial planning session with me today. We'll review your renter's insurance, answer your questions, and help you build a plan that keeps you safe, no matter what life throws your way. Click the link below to get started. Don't wait until it's too late. And remember, if you've enjoyed this content and you want to see more, hit and subscribe or make a comment, and we'll be making more videos just like this to help you become a better steward of the money that has been entrusted to your care. And one final thought, by avoiding these three mistakes, you can turn your renter's insurance from a false sense of security into real protection. Take action now. Your future self will thank you. God bless.